Give up the drop, become the ocean. Welcome back to our podcast where we shine a light on the materials shaping our future. And today we're diving into a topic that blends ancient allure with modern innovation, the role of gold in today's technology. You might be surprised by just how essential this precious metal is in the gadgets and devices we use every day. Gold has been treasured for centuries, not just for its beauty, but for its unique properties. It's highly conductive, resistant to corrosion and oxidation, and extremely malleable. These characteristics make it invaluable in various high-tech applications. Let's start with your smartphone. Gold is crucial in the manufacturing of smartphones. It's used in the circuit boards of mobile phones to ensure reliable, corrosion-resistant, and fast-operating connections. Every time you swipe your screen, remember there is a bit of gold behind the magic. Moving on to computers. Gold is used extensively in desktop and laptop computers. It's found in the connectors used to transmit digital data quickly and reliably. In the realm of high-speed data transmission, gold's ability to conduct electricity without tarnishing or corroding make it an ideal choice of reliable performance. Beyond gadgets, gold's technological applications reach even loftier heights. In space, gold-coated polyester film helps protect spacecraft and satellites from solar radiation. This gold film is incredibly thin, yet effective in reflecting infrared radiation, keeping instruments and astronauts safe from extreme temperatures. And let's not forget the medical field, where gold is making a golden impact. It's used in various diagnostic equipment, including genetic testing devices. Gold nanoparticles are being explored for use in cancer treatments, targeting tumors with the potential of less damage to surrounding healthy tissue compared to traditional methods. So, the next time you look at a piece of gold jewelry and admire it, think about the gold in your everyday tech tool. This ancient metal is not just a symbol of wealth and status, it is a key player in the cutting-edge technologies that drive our modern life. And a bit of wisdom today: give up the drop, become the ocean. You are much more than you think. That wraps up our episode on the modern use of golden technology. Fascinated by how materials like gold are transforming technology? Make sure to subscribe and share this podcast. Until next time, keep looking for the gold in technology around you.